Greetings everybody, welcome to one more day, one more episode. Yeah, today, me and my brother up on the farm. See me? Right now I'm going to clear out a spot. Yeah man, bless up Nick. I'm going to clear out a spot right now where we can plant the carrots and the pak choy. So that we are working on right now. And me there dig a couple holes. You know? So yeah, that's the work so they're on here now. And this is right where the tomato is behind us right here. So we have the tomatoes here and we're continuing up. And then you have the lettuce up there with the seed bed. So we're just connecting up everything now. And you don't know, see the place I clear out little by little. So the more we plant up things, just the prettier the farm get. Although the little bush on the farm nice too. Yeah man, so I'm gonna put it up on a tripod right now. And then you can watch a time lapse of us clearing this spot and getting the holes dug. So we can go deal with the thing them and plant it, alright? So soon come again. That's a good exercise, Vic.
What? Gym this one. Yeah.
Yeah, one, see them say I'm gym this. So we soon set up things in place so people can visit and enjoy the farm gym as well. So I'm putting up on a tripod and pre a time lapse. Alright everybody, we clear the spot so far. So no bush. And we soft up the dirt. Okay, see how my brother, he might use the fork, softening up the dirt, digging it a little deep so the carrot can have a place to freely grow. So yeah, a couple rows well. So I'm gonna start planting some of the carrots. So I have some carrots over here. Just take some from the seed bed. Forgive me, I'm using my hand to hold the camera. So this is a carrot from the seed bed. I'm going to put it in the ground. So clear a little space. So I want to do it like a little yam hill kind of. So it gives space so the carrot can feel it grow in loose dirt, you know. So I do a little hill, clear a little spot, so the carrot will grow in this loose dirt right here. Forgive me, I'm holding the camera, man. So yeah. So that's the concept. So I'm going to do the rest. So yeah, can watch along. Alright everybody, here what happened. We'll just try one row of the carrots and see how that turn out. This one never planted so good, I'm gonna try again. Because the soil is so loose right here. The carrot's not getting a firm seating. So we're going to do the Pak Choys next and see how this row turn out before we move ahead with more carrots. So yeah, so get some Pak Choys. My brother digging up some right now too. So I'm getting some nice chunks of dirt with the Pak Choy, man.
This is a good one, Pak Choy.
Yeah, man.
It's the insect,
I'm gonna ship in some neem oil if anything, man. So I have some nice pak choy right here with some dirt. So I'm gonna bring it down now and plant them out. Oh. I'm gonna try to video the process too. Oh, coming down, so you should start down with someone.
Yeah. I mean, just continue.
Yeah. Got them little hole how me need dig first.
Oh, yeah. Pak choy is a good one.
Yeah, man. Love pak choy, man.
Yeah, good on them, man. Oh, yeah. That guy will do well.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man, we're still at it. So far, we do 3 rows. Yeah, man, one step at a time. Yeah, everybody, we do a couple more rows. Looking beautiful. So we just at it dealing with the works. Little by little, great things shall be accomplished. Yes, everybody, we plant out 1 row of cabbage. We plant out about 70 pak choy. We still have some space up here. We still don't plant anything yet, so because as you can see the sun going down, so and we have more things to do in Babylon, so we don't water the thing them yet, so we're gonna water everything now. So basically, I think it's over 300 plants, so we'll get to work. See you soon. So water anything is alright. Also, my brother, yeah, I'll catch some water.
Full-time job, bro.
Yeah, man.
Real farming like a full-time job.
True. Alright, everybody, soon. Look on the view from here. Yeah, man. Nice. Big veggies. Alright, everybody. I eat that for the day. Man, see my brother there on the farm there down there, so him just picked the strawberry, the other red strawberry. So yeah, I'm gonna bring that home and make a smoothie with that today. Yeah, man. So I bring it home and make a smoothie, you know. The strawberry nice, man. For the first time I eat strawberry, never nicer before.
It's sweet, man, and then the one you're perfect, the other one was damaged.
Ah, perfect.
Watch it. Clean that up, look at it, man. It's beautiful.
Proper, man.
Good night, bud.
Alright, let me seal up. So everybody, thanks for watching. See you in the next one. One perfect love.